This is a camera that supports both Wi-Fi and RJ45 wired networking. It can connect to either a Wi-Fi router or a wired router. As shown in the picture, it has one RJ45 Ethernet port and one power port. It requires a continuous power supply from a DC 12-volt power adapter to function properly. This is a camera that supports RJ45 wired PoE power supply. It can be connected to a wired router. As shown in the picture, it has one RJ45 Ethernet port supporting PoE power supply and one power port. It can be powered via Ethernet cable or a DC 12-volt power adapter. Normally, when using a PoE NVR, PoE switch, or other PoE-powered terminal, you can use a PoE camera directly. Now, I will demonstrate how to use a PoE network video recorder. First, there's the PoE NVR and the PoE camera. After connecting via Ethernet cable, the camera powers on and works normally. Next are the non-PoE camera and PoE NVR. After connecting via Ethernet cable, you will need a separate DC 12-volt power supply. If you want to use a non-PoE camera, you'll need a power adapter, which is more cumbersome and requires an additional power cable. Now we recommend a product, PoE Splitter. Its function is to separate power and data transmission in a PoE cable, allowing the RJ45 Ethernet port to be used for data transmission, while the power port is used for power supply. This PoE splitter is compatible with IEEE 802.3AF and IEEE 802.3AT protocols and supports devices with a maximum power of 25.5 watts. It is ideal for powering cameras. It is particularly suitable for use with compatible non-PoE camera and PoE NVR. Using a PoE splitter can eliminate the need for a separate power adapter and the hassle of installing power cables. Now let's see how to connect them.